Hello, today I am doing a review for a diamond painting company on Amazon. They did send this to me free of charge for the review, so let's get into it. This is what we call an off-canvas project. The link to this will be in my description box so that you can go and get one for yourself. They do come in different patterns, different patterns. So this comes with a standard toolkit, which is a green boat, a square of wax, and a single placer pink pen. It comes with your bag of crystals. Comes with a tiny toolkit, and it also includes a tiny little screwdriver. Alright, then all of your pieces are in here. Here's your instructions on how to put this together. And then it also shows you instructions on how to diamond paint if you've never done that before. So there's that. Alright, so then we have got the front and back piece that you are going to diamond paint. Now on this front side, you just peel this plastic off, and everywhere that you see a dot with a number or a letter, that's the part that you're going to be putting your crystals on. That's the part that's going to be sticky. Now on this back side, you take the plastic off of your back side, and this is a sticker. So what you're going to do is when you do this, you're going to take and find the piece that it goes on, and you're going to line it up because you've got holes right here on all four corners. All four corners have got a hole, and you're going to line that up, and you're going to stick it on there, and it's going to stick because that's, again, sticky. All right. So you're going to do that with both of these pieces. Like I said, this is one of them's going to be the front, one of them's going to be the back. Now, all of these pieces are going to have a plastic coating on it that you are going to want to take off before you start putting this together. So you're just going to peel this off, and then on this side also, it's going to have another protective cover. If I can get a hold of it. And all these pieces are the same. They are all going to have this plastic piece on there. And you just peel them off. Just like that. They put that on there so that it keeps them from getting scratched in the shipment and stuff. So that's why they put that on there. But every one of these pieces is going to have that plastic coating on there. So what this is, once you complete this, this is going to be a desktop, like a pencil holder. It's going to hold all of your, your ink pens and stuff. It's going to look kind of like that. Let's see if I'm going to pause, and I'm going to take all the plastic off so y'all don't have to see me struggle with that, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I took the plastic off of all of these pieces, and so what it's saying to do, which is really easy, is you're going to take and attach these. Let me just move this out of the way for a minute. Excuse me. You're going to take this and you're going to attach it to this part right here where the holes are. Sorry, had a coughing fit. So you're just going to put these in here, and you're going to just screw these right in there, which I'll tighten them here in just a second. I just want to go ahead and get this in. Okay, so you're going to watch the placement of what you're doing also when it comes to putting the second part together. This is really, I mean, it's really easy. So there's the basic for your, you know, putting that together. Then you're just going to take these. You see they have this little part there. You're just going to put that in there. They just sit in there. You just put each one in. It's okay that they're leaning right now. This is going to be your bottom, because you see there's two holes down here. So those just go in there. This one is going to go right there. Let me stick that back in there. Alright, so that's your basic assembly. And then when you get this piece, you are going to just take it, line everything up. Hope y'all can see what I'm doing. And it's okay that fell out. Stick it right back in there. Alright. Then you take your screws and your little screwdriver, and you just screw them right in there. Just like this. Now, you are going to want to, well, I guess I should probably show y'all how to do that. Now, mind you, these should be completed. You're just going to stick that on there with that sticky, and then you're just going to screw these little screws in there. Well, my hands are shaking, y'all. Sorry. I promise it's a lot easier than what my hands are shaking. So you're just going to screw those into all four. That's what it's going to look like. Of course, it's going to look the same on the back side too, but that's after you've completed this. And then you will take your pins, whatever pins you have, and you can just put them in there. You can probably maybe put your diamond painting pins in there. You could, paint brushes would go in there. Whatever you want. You just set this on your desk for, you know, for like desktop storage. So, alright, well, I hope y'all understood that. And like I said, it does come with assembly directions, and you would want to do this before you stuck this on there. So, oh, well, I guess I could show y'all the crystals. All of these are really pretty. And again, this company has different products. I chose the owl, but they have got dogs. They've got eagle, I think it was. They've got hearts, stars. I mean, all kinds of different patterns for this. You don't necessarily have to get the owl. So here's your crystals and your special shapes. Very pretty. They have got just your regular diamond paintings. They've got special shapes. They've got all kinds of different things. You just have to go to their website and, you know, and check it out for yourself. So, all right. I hope you liked the video, and link will be in the description. Thanks for watching.